Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. In this video I want to show you how to insert QR code in PowerPoint. Many times you don't want to search. On this time QR code may help you. Simply scan QR and URL will open. To do this, let's start. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. And add a blank slide. Click on Insert. And click on Get Add-ins. In this search box, write QR for Office. Add this add-in to insert QR code in PowerPoint. Enter URL here to encode. For example, I want to create QR code of YouTube video. Open Internet browser. Search YouTube. Select a video. And copy URL. Now go back to PowerPoint. And paste URL here. My URL is starting with HTTPS. So I choose for here HTTPS. Now in Options, select a color from here for QR code. And select background for QR code from here. Now you can increase or decrease the size of QR code from here. In Preview, you can see preview of your QR code. Here you can see size and URL of your QR code. Check your preview and click on Insert. You can see QR code is added in PowerPoint. Let's add another QR code for another website. For example, I want a QR code for Google. In Add-ins, click on My Add-ins. Click on QR for Office add-in. And now write address of Google here. Select a color and background color from here. Adjust the size. Check preview. And click Insert. Both QR codes are added. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like this video. And share it with others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.